When it comes to treating the menopause, we're going to look at 5 different areas from Chinese medicine that we can use. Point 4 on the conception vessel meridian is on the midline of the abdomen, about 3/5 of the way between the belly button and the top edge of the pubic bone. In traditional treatments, this point is for exhaustion, weakness, chronic fatigue or disease, menstrual and sexual issues. In acupressure, there's 3 different ways to treat the spot. A steady pressure with a fingertip or a knuckle or even a rubber-tipped pencil is tonifying. Hold this steady pressure for up to 2 minutes. A clockwise circling motion, it's a very small motion, can be used to remove blocked energy or to move blocked energy. And then thirdly, to calm excessive energy, use the flat palm of a hand just to stroke the area. And this again is something that you can teach a client to do themselves so that they can carry out this treatment at home. The second point is large intestine 11, known as the pool at the bend, and it's used to treat hot flushes and is on the outer arm of the side of the elbow. If you bend your forearm, bringing your hand towards your neck, then L11 is located at the end of the crease of the elbow. To reduce hot flushes, circle anti-clockwise on this area. Spleen 6 is used for reducing hot flushes, anxiety and other gynecological issues. This is located by asking the client to place their flat hand with their little finger across the middle of the ankle bone on the inside of the leg on a line with their second knuckles. Spleen 6 is where the index finger rests in a direct line from the inner ankle bone. This point is also good for treating insomnia and dizziness, but it can be a very tender point, so work gently and gradually increase the pressure with each treatment. If it is simply too painful to treat with direct pressure, just begin by holding the flat of the hand over the point. Kidney 3, the great steam point, is an effective point to work for an energy boost and for detoxification, along with treating backache, headache, dizziness and insomnia. The point is found on the inside of the foot, halfway between the ankle and the Achilles. Spleen 9 helps with fatigue, lack of energy, abdominal bleeding and pain in the genitals. It's located below and inside of the knee, just off the bone where the tibia begins to curve. The point can be very tender. If it's too tender to press straight into, gradually increase your depth as the client's tolerance increases. All of these points can be used either as a separate treatment or as part of a general massage treatment or by the individual menopausal woman for self-treatment.